Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Pilot maintenance light. First, locate the information display button on your dashboard, usually near the instrument cluster. Press this button repeatedly to cycle through the various display options until you see the oil life percentage. Once oil life is displayed, press and hold the reset button, which is often integrated into the same control, for about 10 seconds. This action will initiate the reset process. To perform a detailed reset, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, use the Select/Reset button, typically found on the instrument panel, to scroll through the information display until the oil life percentage is shown. Once you see the oil life, press and hold the Select/Reset button for approximately 10 seconds. The oil life display will begin to blink, and then it will reset to 100%, confirming the successful reset. If the light doesn't reset immediately, double-check that your engine is off and the ignition is in the on position. Sometimes, not holding the button for the full 10 seconds can prevent the reset. If you have an older model or a different trim, the exact button location or procedure might vary slightly. Always refer to your Honda Pilot's owner's manual for the most accurate and specific instructions for your particular vehicle. Resetting your maintenance light is a simple but important step after an oil change or service. It helps you keep track of your next service interval and ensures your vehicle runs smoothly. Remember, consistent maintenance is key to extending the life of your Honda Pilot. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.